So how to use VLOOKUP using Excel in easy way. So ngayon ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano hanap ng product based on this product names, quantity, the price, the product code. Okay, first all you need to do is you need to type here the product. Okay, the product you want to search, no? Product or product name. Kaya natin dyan. Then for the product name, example dito is we need to find the mouse. Okay, mouse. Next, for the meron na tayong product name at saka may sample product. So we need to type the first is we need to find the quantity. Okay, example quantity yung unahin natin. Example yung mouse kasi wala dito si mouse, di ba? So we need to find mouse. Okay, so first you need to type quantity. Then for the quantity, so we need to input the VLOOKUP formula. First you need to click equal sign, then type VLOOKUP. Okay, double click lang natin itong VLOOKUP. Okay, after double click, we need to click the mouse, which is the product. Okay, mouse, then comma. Then we need to highlight all the product name, quantity, the price, and the product code. So from this part, no, there are 4 columns from this part until this part, no. So highlight lang natin lahat kasi gusto natin mahanap si mouse. Okay, so after highlight, you need to put comma. Then for the quantity, kasi quantity yung gustong makita natin dito kay using VLOOKUP. So we need to type 2. Kasi bakit 2? Kasi dalawang column si quantity. The first column is 1, second column is 2. So that's why we need to put 2 in a column, then comma again. Then we need to double click the false for the exact match. Okay, ito double click lang natin. After double clicking, so we need to close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, meaning si mouse, yung quantity niya is 91. So there are 91 quantity yung mouse. Okay, next, hanapin naman natin si price. Okay, price for this product. So the same process, you need to equal sign. Then you need to type VLOOKUP. Okay, after VLOOKUP, you need to click the mouse. Ito, the mouse. Then comma. Okay, after comma, we need to highlight all the datas here. Okay, after highlight, we need to put comma. So ngayon, hahanapin naman natin si price, which is si price is nasa ikatlong column. First, second, third. So meron dito dito natin hanapin yung price. So we need to put 3 comma, then we need to double click the false. Ito double click lang natin. Then we need to put close parenthesis, then enter. So meaning yung price ni mouse, that is 220. Okay, so meaning 220, saan ba dito si mouse? Okay, ito si mouse, no? So correct lang ba yung data? So meaning correct lang, so it is 220. So para makompleto natin yung paggamit ni VLOOKUP, so we need to put again the product code. Product code. Okay, for the product code is yung gagamitin natin is same lang, VLOOKUP, then double click lang natin, VLOOKUP. After double clicking the VLOOKUP, we need to click the mouse. Okay, after clicking the mouse, comma, then after comma, we need to highlight again all the data. Then okay, after clicking the data, we need to put comma. Okay, so now again, so si product code is nasa ika-4 na column. So we need to type 4, then comma, then we need to double click the false. Then after that, we need to close parenthesis, then enter. Okay, meaning yung code, product code ni mouse, which is 89634. So check natin kung correct lang ba. So si mouse dito, ito 21, product 21 natin is 89634. So meaning accurate lang yung binigay ni VLOOKUP. So meaning that is the use of VLOOKUP kung paano natin mas madaling hanapin yung product. Okay, product name, the quantity, the price, and also the product code. Example, may given naman ito, so wala naman itong formula. So example, hanapin naman natin dito si example, we need to find the headset, no? Okay, we need to type headset. Headset. Then we need to click enter. So meaning, pag nag-enter ka, automatic, ibibigay ni VLOOKUP is lahat ng quantity, the price of headset, and the product code. Okay, ito yung gamit ni, or ito yung use ni VLOOKUP, no? Okay, so check natin si headset. There are 4 quantity, the price is 400. So check headset, that is quantity 400. Yung code niya is 417323. Check natin, 417323. So meaning accurate lang. Okay, another example. So we need to find the marker. So marker. So okay, so meron si marker. Example si car. So pag wala po yung product, meaning nakalagay dito is in A. So meaning hindi available yung product. So yun lang, and I hope may natutunan kayo in a simple using VLOOKUP. Thank you and God bless.